Good afternoon, Danielle. It's Matt Artus here at Handy Chevrolet. I want to thank you so much for coming up and taking a look at this beautiful 2022 Chevy Traverse Premier Redline Edition. As you can see, the Redline gives you the red hash marks on the wheels, and then the red badging with the black pronounced accents. You got the red dashes on the side mirrors. So leather, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. I just wanted to get you a good video over so maybe you could show your other half who you're discussing this big decision with. I do know that there's a lot that goes into this. This is a fully automatic tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so you can literally find every square inch for whatever is comfortable for you. So it's super nice to have that. Lane departure warning, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, a lot of really nice safety features. Second row heated seats, so if you have passenger with you, they will have heated seats. You on the front have heated and air conditioned seats, which is really nice. When you were here, I did explain to you that it has a tow hitch. I didn't really tell you where. So right here underneath this cap is actually a tow hitch with wiring. Two little twist nuts you unscrew and it pops right off. It's pretty easy. The storage from here to here is second to none, but then you got this storage, which is impeccable. I haven't seen another car manufacturer that offers the room for the money that you get in a Chevy Traverse. We have one, and there's a reason why. I sell these things for a living, and I don't think there's a better third row vehicle out there in the market for the money, like I said. So if you have any questions or you just want to let me know where we got to be to try to make a deal, obviously I'm eager to see your tires so that we know we don't have to put new tires in it. And if you have any questions, reach out. My office line here is 802-528-2124. And as always, when you're short on time, shop online at handycars.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.